Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a beautiful and refreshing chilled beetroot gazpacho with poached shrimp. First, add 800 ml of tomato juice in the blender, 200 grams beetroot cubes, 100 grams green bell pepper, 160 grams cucumber, mix at medium speed until everything is well combined. Then add 60 grams onion, 100 gram red bell pepper, 20 gram of salt, 3 gram white pepper powder, 10 ml Worcestershire sauce, 30 ml balsamic vinegar, 30 ml fresh lemon juice. Then add 60 ml seeded tomato dice, fresh basil leaves 20 gram. Lastly, add 50 ml olive oil. Now mix all the ingredients until smooth and well blended. Check the consistency of the gazpacho. Mix again if needed. All ingredients should be completely blended and the gazpacho should have a smooth consistency. After that, transfer the gazpacho to a serving jug so we can easily pour it into short glasses. This recipe is enough for 20 short glasses. Pour the gazpacho into each glass, but do not fill it too much. Leave some space at the top because we will place the 20 shrimp skewer on top. Now place the poached shrimp and cherry tomato skewer on top of each short glass, and there we have it, a beautiful chilled beetroot and tomato gazpacho topped with poached shrimp, ready to serve. This simple, elegant and refreshing appetizer, perfect for fine dining buffet and special events. Thanks for watching this video.